Hey everyone, welcome to my next live from the workshop. At the time of recording this, I don't actually have all the parts that I need for this, I will admit that. But I'm actually waiting for the parts, so I thought I'd actually start with the dismantling. The first part of it is the dismantling and a little bit of repainting. So, you know, it's a nice easy part to start with. So what I'm going to be making in this one, we have a new series Dalek, is I'm going to be making the Temporal Weapons Dalek from Engines of War, the War Doctor novel. If you haven't seen this, this is basically a new series Dalek, but it has, the front part of it is effectively the cannon that you see on the Special Weapons Dalek. So obviously I'm going to take the front off. It's going to be a fairly simple custom to do, but I thought it was a nice one and it's something a bit different, so I thought I'd give it a go. So yeah, let's get on with this. And there is my finished Temporal Weapons Dalek. Now, I just want to reiterate one point, because I'm sure some people are going to be a bit annoyed and a bit angry at the fact that I've cannibalised the Special Weapons Dalek for this. The Special Weapons Dalek I bought was actually completely in pieces already. So, you know, I don't feel like I've really cannibalised it because the screws are missing, there was no base to it. And the swivel bit in between the two wasn't that well secured and things like that. So, you know, it's come out actually really alright, the fact that I've had the spare parts to do it. And, you know, I'm really pleased with the way it's come out, actually. It's come out very, very well. And it does look very war-torn, and it's a nice, unique piece. You know, there's nothing really like that outside of the Special Weapons Dalek itself. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this video. As always, like, favourite, subscribe, share, really helps me out a lot, and I shall see you all with another video very soon.